that the best angle we do have? Okay, as a sort of signal is out, I think quite close to levels of the ground. The fingers look as though they're underneath the ball. Can we rock and roll that again, please? I just need to see this on for the signal being out. So just rock, go back again, please, Deepak. Go back all the way right through.
बाबू ने नहीं करा बेटा, नहीं करा दो.
The next angle, and next one through. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, the ball is clearly touching the ground. Got evidence. Yeah, my decision is not.
Very tricky one to give because the fingers were underneath, but he saw that the ball was touching the ground. And yet he had conclusive evidence that the key overturning.
बाबू को लगेगा, देखो ठीक से.
You could hear him going through the thought process, and I think he rather changed
बुलाओ.
his mind on that. Initially he thought the fingers were under the ball, but when he took a longer look at it, determined that the ball had hit the ground, I think that was a fair enough decision. He had to be
हाथ में
sure
देखो दबा रहे हो.
the signal was out.
हाथ हटाओ बाबू का.
That's what I thought. It didn't happen right at the start of the day.
नहीं 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 करो.